of making your own belly dance costume? Wondering if it's worth it? Let's break down the real cost and where you can save. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. When making costumes, it's so easy to overspend even when you're trying to save money. So in this video, I'll break down the real cost of my recent costumes and share money-saving tips to help you stay on budget. Let's get started. For this dress, the fabric cost was about $62 and the embellishment was about $25. The other materials like a bra base, zipper, and thread were about $12. The total cost was about $99. For this one, the fabric was $65, the embellishment was about $20, and other materials were about $10. The total cost was about $95. For this one, the fabric was $82, the embellishment was about $40, and other materials were about $10. The total cost was about $128. And don't forget, each costume took hours to make. For example, this pink Fifi dress took me about 10 hours to make and 6 hours to embellish. So if, let's say, my hourly wage is $30, then $30 times 16 hours equals $480. So the grand total cost of this dress is about $575. But this number changes depending on your hourly wage, of course. So what do you think? Now there's one thing you don't see here, and that's the development cost. To make each one of these dresses, I had to brainstorm, research, plan, and test patterns, and pay for materials for test dresses. Sometimes this part can take 20 to 30 hours and another $50 or so in materials. But you can skip that work if you join my All Access membership. In All Access membership, you can access all my courses. Currently I have 18 of them with over 30 designs available, and these 2 brand new designs will be added next month. You can create all of them to fit your unique measurements and budget. If you're curious, check the link in the description. So if you just look at the material cost, it only costs $100 each, but if you include the labor, it gets pretty expensive, right? So what are the benefits of making your own costumes? Here are the reasons why I make my own costumes. I can design my own costumes, I can make them fit well, I can perfect the lengths of my skirts and dresses, I can choose the colors to match my needs and visions, I can control the quality of my materials, all of which makes me a happier and more confident dancer. And I can learn new skills, there are potential business opportunities, or in my case, it's become my career and life mission. The creation process is fun, it's meditative, which makes me a happier person, just to name a few. But even though I love costume making, I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on materials for each outfit. So here are my 2 biggest money-saving tips. Tip number 1, try acrylic rhinestones. If you like using rhinestones on your outfits like I do, try acrylic ones instead of glass ones. The price difference is huge. Take a look at this. These acrylic Rivoli rhinestones on AliExpress originally cost $4.07, but now they're on sale for just 99 cents for 100 pieces, while this Preciosa Crystal Rivoli rhinestone is $1.10 each. Belly dance costumes are usually seen from a distance, so I often use these cheaper acrylic stones. They still sparkle beautifully. Plus, they're much lighter than crystal ones, so your costume won't feel heavy once it's fully decorated. This is the main reason why my embellishment costs are pretty low. Tip number 2, POS. Okay, POS stands for Plan and Order Samples. It's very tempting to buy fabric before you even know how much you need, which is risky because you could get less than you need, in which case you have to order extra and pay another shipping fee. Or you could get more than you need, but this also leads to overspending. So plan out your pattern first and then figure out how much fabric you need. Then order that amount plus half a meter or half a yard extra, just in case you want to make matching accessories or something like that. And before you order that amount, make sure to order samples of the fabric you like, so you can actually see and make sure if it's the right color and feel the fabric before committing to yards of fabric. Shops like Fabric Wholesale Direct are great because they show you the stretch of the fabric in videos, and their customers share the photos of their creations so you can see if the fabric is suitable for your project. I hope these tips help you create beautiful outfits that fit your budget and your vision. If you like this video, you might enjoy my 5 things I wish I knew before making belly dance costumes video so you can avoid all the beginner mistakes I made. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!